This week's lesson, students in grades 1 and 2, we are going to focus on our keyboarding skills. They're so important, especially with virtual learning. Keyboarding is really important. This week's module, this week's assignment for students in grades 1 and 2, it's a review of what was assigned on your last technology lesson, August 25th. Now, on August 25th, a lot of you guys did a really great job with sending inbox messages to your teacher. They really loved them. But not everyone clicked next to go to the typing lessons on learning.com. And even those who did, there was only one student who went through the whole module of lessons. There were 7 typing lessons. There was the home row lesson, which is so important. That's where you learn how to get your fingers in the home row position to make you a really good typer. So that's probably about a 10-minute lesson, but it's really good. You got to do that one first. Then after that were 6 guided practices about the F and the J key and other keys that are on home row. These are the actual assignments for these next 2 weeks. There's the keyboarding home row lesson, which is a really good lesson. And the rest are just guided practices, very short guided practices. Try to get all 7 assignments done in these next 2 weeks. Do your best, boys and girls. There was one student who did all 7 lessons, keyboarding lessons that is, and that is a young man named Carl Andy from Miss Gill's class, and you are getting a Gator Gold. Oh yeah. I'm leaving this assignment, the 7 lessons, because I really want everyone to go through that home row lesson, because very few kids, only one student did the whole thing, and that's really important. It's great practice. So Carl Andy, you're welcome to go and practice the home row again to become even better. But you've already earned yourself a Gator Gold. And that goes for all of you boys and girls. If any of you in grades 1 and 2 complete in these next 2 weeks from September 8th to September 22nd, any students at Allisonville in grades 1 and 2 who finish all 7 of their learning.com keyboarding lessons, you will also get a Gator Gold. Oh yeah. So, make sure you watch the video about how to access learning.com through Rapid Identity. And make sure you complete the home row lesson. Make sure you complete the 6 guided practices. The guided practices are super short. They're like 2 minutes each. If you get all 7 of those lessons done, I'll be able to tell from my learning.com account, and I will write you a Gator Gold. So go for it, guys, okay? Best of luck. And I've heard from a few parents, specifically parents of students who don't have a Washington Township Chromebook. Some students tried to get onto learning.com through Rapid Identity, and it took them to a login screen and they couldn't get logged in. If that happened to you, and only if that's happened to you, I've got a video down below in this assignment that you can watch, and it shows you how you can log in if you're not able to get to learning.com through Rapid Identity. But if you can get to learning.com through Rapid Identity, that's how I want you to get there, okay? So watch the lesson, and let's complete all 7 of those keyboarding lessons in these next 2 weeks so that you can earn a Gator Gold like Carl Andy in Miss Skills class.